Welcome to Sawdust and Wood. Today I'm going to be showing off this glue. The company's name is Starbond, and I have some samples from them, and this glue works really good. I actually bought some about a year ago and used it. It's great for baseboards, home repairs, and I'm going to show you. I have a piece of pine. It's like it's a 1x6, and the edge of it is cracked over. This glue will set up in literally 2 or 3 seconds. So you have your glue here and your spray activator. So on one side of the board you put the glue, the other side you put the activator. Let's get to it. This is the repair we got to fix today. If you got kids, you can feel my pain. But anyway, long story short, the board's cracked in half right here. So here's the glue we're going to use, the medium strength, and this is our activator, and this is the glue. This is a very strong super glue, and when you spray this accelerator on it, it makes it set in 2 to 3 seconds. Got your glue on. I'm going to take the activator, spray that, push it together. 1, 2, 3. And voila. Clean it up. Alright, as you can see right here, I didn't have something to wipe off the excess glue, and it dries so quick. I had to scrape it off with my fingernail after, and it pulled a little paint up. So I'm just going to sand this down real lightly and touch it up with some paint. But in the future, just look out for that. If you use this glue, if it seeps up when you push the boards together, wipe it off quick because it doesn't take long to dry. Alright, now I'm going to bind some 2x4s together, little pieces. I'm going to take this glue, I'm going to just put it right here on the top. And now I'm going to take the activator and spray on the connecting piece that I want to connect. Spray that down. So I got the spray activator here, the glue. I'm going to push that down. We'll see how long it takes to set up. Look at that. If you look, I can see like a little smoke coming off of it. I guess that's the activator. Look at that. This is perfect if you're doing baseboards, and if you ever done baseboards and you shoot a nail here and you try to push this piece in and it gets crooked, you can fit your baseboards together with this glue and then just pull it over and shoot it, and you're gonna have a perfect seam every time. I want to thank all of y'all for watching. This channel is going to hit 100,000 subs. That's my goal by the end of the year. Thank y'all. Please share this video, and I have a discount code if you're interested in buying this glue. I have a link in the description. If you click that link, the discount code is SAW10. I don't ask y'all for money. I never will. I don't want your money, but if you're going to buy some of this glue, you get 10% off if you use SAW10, and I get 10%. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.